Okay, section 3.6, we're really on a roll now. Page 52. Starting at grade D and working upwards. This is finding one quantity as a fraction of another. So question 1 is very basic and boring. Work out the first number or quantity as a fraction of the second. So you're given basically 150 and you're given 250, and you write the first one as a fraction of the second one. In other words, you go 150 over 250, and it's best to simplify because it's math. Doing. 5 goes into 15 3 times, 5 into 25 5, therefore 3/5. Alright, now number 2 is a dodgy one, it's big numbers. At a football match the crowd was 15,000, that's the whole crowd, and it says there were 10,500 home supporters. 10,500 home supporters. What fraction of the crowd is this? Please note, this number is a fraction of the crowd. So let's do a division sum. Well, not really a sum, is it? Just simplify the fraction. Don't be terrified. Divide top and bottom by 100 by destroying 2 zeros. 5 goes into 105, doesn't it? Sure it does. 5 goes into 100 20 times, and plus 1 for him as well, 21. 5 goes into 150, that's going to be 20 into 100 and 10 30 times. How's that? I've got 21 over 30 so far. Now I can see that 3's go into that a few times. 3 goes into 21 7 times, 3 goes into 30 10 times, so therefore this fraction is basically 7/10 of the crowd were homies. Right, Claire, she makes cheesecake. Lovely. Right, she has 500 grams of cheesecake and uses 350 grams of it. What fraction of the cream cheesecake did she use? She used 350 grams out of the available 500 grams. Told you it's easy. This is grade D, but look at it. There you go. Oh, let's cancel it properly. 35 over 50, 5 goes into 35 7 times, 5 goes into 50 10 times. She uses 7/10 of 100, uses 7/10 of a Dewberry of cheese. Sue, no, that's boring. Mr. House is making, no, that's boring as well. Right, let's just do Sarah's marking a spelling test. Right, this is Sarah question 6, and I'll probably stop with this one. Sarah's marking one spelling test is 15 out of 20, so I'm going to write it like that, and let's just get rid of that. In the next test she goes 20 out of 25, like so. Which mark was better? Well, let's just take a look, shall we? If we simplify down, 5 goes into 15 3 times, 5 goes into 20 4 times. That's for that one test. 5 goes into 20 4 times, and 5 goes into 25 5 times. Now look, it's still not that clear. I do know that 4/5 is bigger and therefore better than 3 over 4. But look, if we change into percentage, you should know that 3/4 is 75%, and if you visualize 4/5 as 8/10, now you can see that's actually 80%. And you must write in conclusion 20 over 25 is a higher score. Is that alright? You must give a conclusion in the exam. What else is worth doing? Should we do... Right, let's just do this one as well, question 7. We'll turn over the page and we'll do it. It's just begging for it. Right, 18 out of 20 in class 9Y. Okay, just get the fraction going. So 18 over 20. So this is the class 9Y, obviously year 9, badly behaved. They passed the maths test, and 25 out of 30, that's class 9X, also passed. Which one did better? Okay, I reckon if we just go straight into percentage mode, that will help us a lot. So 18 over 20 times 100. There you go. Chop down the zeros. I can see that 2 also goes into 10 5 times, like so. I have got 18 times 5, that's going to be, let's have a look, 10 times 5 is 50, 8 5s are 40, we're looking at 90% altogether. Is that alright? Just check that. 85 to 40, yeah, 90% for 9y. This other little lot, just do the same sort of thing there. That should be in black actually, so do it properly. Anyway, so 25 out of 30 multiplied by 100. Let's hope it's a nice easy percentage. Doesn't work perfectly, does it? Never mind, I'm still going to work it out. 3 doesn't go into anything else. I've got 250. Divide that by 3. I'm going to do short division sum because I like to finish it off properly. Right, 3's into 2 do not go. 3's into 25 go 8 times. Uno left over. 3's into 10 go 3 times with 1 left over. And I can see it's going to go in there 3 times again. So it's going to be 83.3 recurring percent. Let's write it down. Not quite right there. Not very tidy. 83.3%. So who did better? I must write the conclusion. 9y did better in their test. Just need to contemplate if I could have done that in an easier way for you. Yes, I found an easier way, and I think I'll do it actually. If we look at the common multiple of 20 and 30, if we can take them both out of 60, I've got 9y. Look, we've got 18 over 20 and 9x. I mean, you'd normally go down the percentage route, really. That's traditional. But I'm now going to try a different route. If I multiply top and bottom by 3, I will get 54 over 60. Alright? If I multiply top and bottom by 2, I will get 50 over 60. And anyone can see, even me, that 54 over 60 is greater than 50 out of 60, which is a very elegant, neat way of proving that 9y did do better than 9x. So it's far less hard work and less frightening, and you won't have to go down the recurring decimal route again. So I'm now going to stop talking, and that's the end of 3.6.